Alright, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to KT Lifestyle, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through my entire experience helmet diving at Boracay, Philippines. I'm gonna go helmet diving. Alright, I know a lot of you are asking right now, what in the world is helmet diving? Is it even safe? And how deep underwater am I gonna go? For the first time ever, I went helmet diving just this past summer. So if you want to know the answers to these questions and more, keep watching. So what is helmet diving? Helmet diving is exactly what it sounds like. Is basically diving underwater while wearing a helmet on top of your head. Alright, so when you go underwater, you get to see all types of sea creatures like fish. And yeah, pretty much just fish. I don't believe I saw any sharks. Just kidding, this shark is actually photoshopped. Actually, this whole photo is photoshopped. But yeah, I have no idea if there are sharks or not. You will probably have to ask the workers when you get there. It probably depends on the location you are helmet diving. You definitely want to ask before you go ahead and risk your life helmet diving. So where do I sign up? When you get out of your hotel, walk towards the beach, there's going to be millions of people trying to sell you waterproof phone cases, dry bags, island hopping tours. Real quick, if you have not seen my island hopping video in the new Boracay, go ahead and check it out in the link in the description below, or you can click it up here in the card right above me. And some of these people will be offering to take you and your family to go helmet diving. So my family actually bought an island hopping package, and they gave us the option to add helmet diving to the itinerary. So that's exactly what we did. Alright, so if you do decide to risk your life to possibly see some awesome fish in the Philippines and possibly a shark, then you can go ahead and sign up. Once you do, they will go ahead and transport you from the beach into a platform in the middle of the ocean. You will most likely spend about an hour to an hour and a half there, so make sure you keep in contact with your family, because if you don't, they will probably think you drowned. Hey mom. Yeah, it took so long because there was a big line when we got there. There was a line of like 20 people before us. You may or may not have to wait a little bit longer depending on how many people are going to be in front of you. But when you are on the platform, there's going to be a diver that's going to go ahead and tell you all you need to know before you go into the water. So I know some of you, or even most of you, do not know Tagalog or understand it. So you can either, 1, ask them to translate it for you in English. 2, you're too shy, so you go ahead and wing it, knowing the risk of possibly drowning. 3, ask someone in your party who probably didn't listen either. Or 4, keep watching my video.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
How deep underwater do I go? Generally they say 10 to 12 feet, but that's what they said. From my experience, I feel like I went down about 20 feet or even more. But don't worry about the depth, because there's going to be a couple of divers there waiting to rescue you if you ever need any rescuing. Before we move on, don't forget to comment down below to let me know what's the scariest experience you've had with water, especially in the sea or in the ocean, to let me know not to do that. Is it even safe? So I know a lot of parents are worried about their kids, especially when it comes to water. What are the possibilities of them drowning? Is this activity even safe? Well, yes, it's safe. At least it seems to be safe, because all those helmets are attached to a long rubber tube that links all the way up to the platform, linking to an oxygen tank. So these oxygen tanks are designed to push in oxygen into the helmet while you are underwater, in the case of water getting into the helmets themselves. Key helmet diving rules.
Helmet activities po natin, sir. Bawal iyuko, bawal itagilid, o bawal maglangoy. Hindi importante maglangoy doon sa ilalim.
Helmet diving sign language. Just kidding. Alright, back to number 5. Key helmet diving rules. Basically what he said is,
Meron kaming hagdanan dito, ma'am.
We are going to go down one by one onto the ladder.
Pagbaba natin sa hagdanan, nile-level up po natin yung balikat natin sa tubig.
When you are on the ladder, please level your shoulders with the water.
Habang sinusuot po yung helmet po sa inyo, ma'am, pag nakalapat na yung helmet sa inyo balikat, hawak na lang kayo sa dalawang handle sa harapan ng helmet.
Then we will place the helmet on your shoulders. Once this is on, place your hands on the handles right here.
Lahat ng helmet may handle po yan.
All our helmets have handles.
Pag nakahawak na po kayo, bitaw na lang po tayo sa hagdanan para hindi tayo mahirapan. Divers na po yung bala pag nasisot pa ilalim.
When your hands are on the handles, you can let go of the ladder and the divers will assist you going down.
Bawal iyuko, bawal itagilid o bawal maglangoy.
Do not bow your head, do not tilt the helmet, do not swim.
Hindi importante maglangoy doon sa ilalim.
It is not important to swim while you are underwater. Helmet diving, sign language. For communicating underwater, there are going to be a few key hand signs you will want to remember. Disclaimer, helmet diving hand signs may be different depending on where you buy the activity, so pay attention when they are discussing the part about the hand signs. Go like this for picture, wave your hand for video. This is the okay sign. Okay, okay. There is a problem. Go like this if you want to go down, and like this if you want to go up. Make sure you don't throw the thumbs up sign for any other reason, or else they're gonna bring you up. I myself almost did a thumbs up sign just because I saw all these fishes. Okay, so you don't have to be scared anymore of helmet diving because basically I told you everything there is to know, but something that you may still be scared of, Road to Hana. I want you to hit the notification bell right now because next week I'm going to be telling you about my scary experience at Road to Hana in Maui, including some very crucial tips of what you need to know before you go. Alright, so that's all I have for you this week, but if you want to see more of my content, please check these videos out right here. And I wish you all the best, and I will see you next Monday.